Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is the color Vortex and I'm going to go and change things up just a little bit because we're starting into the second half of this. We've got 6 months behind us, but there's important things moving forward that I'm going to showcase on my channel now as the building the 4-patch variation of how we're going to start joining things. But I'm going to sew along, sew ahead, moving forward and just show you the blocks. And then at the end of month 7, I'll show you how we're going to join that 4-patch together. So let's get busy. So this is the way your kit will come. I've already filed my fabric and I'm working my blocks just a little bit ahead so that I'll be able to show you. So this is the way it'll come, and it'll be pre-marked. It's going to tell you all of your colors as it has in all the prior months. I don't want to mix my papers up, but this is the way this is going to look once we get this 4-patch put together. This will show you that you're on the right track. So I'm going to show you block C5 today. That's what I'm working on, and it's really important that you watch here because it looks like you'd be able to come up like this, but you can't because you've got this little tiny variation of color. This is your pattern side. So when you're sewing it, you're going to see it this way. Then the mirrored image is your finished. So when you flip this over and you're done, it moves over to this side. So you need to pay special attention there. I always mark my blocks and look for key points, and I try my best to keep all the strings trimmed. So as you can see, this is our C5. So as you can see, this is the pattern side. So when I flip it over, it's going to be right here, C5. So as you can see, all of the colors are matching exactly the way that they are to be, and they're showcased. So as you're marking your patterns out and you're writing on them, do your own little special notes or just pull it and sew it according to the key code. I write little notes because at first I thought, boy, why are they putting this curve in here? It was this little number 3 because I thought, boy, 4 would just cover that really nice. So just pay attention, make sure that you look for all of your numbers or it's going to mess you up. I've seen others that just sewed this straight in on number 5 and forgot to pick up number 6. So when they go to join it, it doesn't line up. So make sure that if it has 6 pieces, you've got all 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just do a count. And go back and look at all of your other blocks to make sure that you've got that many color variations on your front side. And your blocks will come together really nice. So now that we've wrapped up this week's block, week 25, just remember, look for those key points, count, do your number count, do your color count, and set it aside. When we wrap up month 7, that video is going to be a little bit longer than this, and I'm going to show you how we're going to marry these blocks and make your 4-patch and how to pull those seams out. So I'll see you back then. Take care and God bless.